You have seen Turks and Caicos beaches, but have you seen the roads that connect Paradise? Today we're driving from Middle Caicos to North Caicos, and trust me, you will want to stay until the end for the full journey. Welcome back to Chat Jamaican with Tania. I am your lady Tania. Today is not about rushing. It's not about traffic, stress, or noise. Today is about slowing down and taking in the beauty around us. I'm taking you with me on a peaceful drive from Middle Caicos to North Caicos. So whether you're watching from Turks and Caicos, Jamaica, somewhere else in the Caribbean, or anywhere around the world, just sit back and enjoy the ride. And trust me, this is not your typical drive. Sometimes people think paradise is only beaches and resorts. But there's another side to island life. The quiet roads, the open space, the untouched beauty, and the feeling of freedom that comes from the simple driving and taking it all in. So stay with me until the end, because this journey gets more beautiful as we go. There were no bridge?
No, there wasn't no bridge. They just had a ferry that used to take people from Middle Caicos over the north.
So where the bridge starts here?
No, back that way.
Oh, we're past it
On
already.
Middle Caicos side.
Okay.
Oh, you're talking about the overpass? It's not now. But I mean, only one or two people had vehicle on Middle Caicos.
Okay.
Didn't everybody have? So I didn't born yet, and they had a ferry. And then the ferry we used to take me over the north. Come back to school, summer vacation. Yeah. Sometimes I catch the ferry, but the ferry only used to travel on Saturdays from north. Middle Saturdays. They never traveled Sunday. But that was some hard time. Catch a boat. You're away from your home. You live in North Caicos. You only got to see a parents on the weekend. If you catch a ride to get out of North Caicos. If you catch a boat. But back then.
So this was not here any at all? This road?
Here. No, this was just water. This was just water.
Oh.
This was just water, man. This wasn't here. This was just water.
Water is pretty though.
Yeah.
I would feel it's like I would dive in.
And then
dive in it.
the ferry used to dock there. The ferry come from Middle used to dock
Right
over
here?
there. No. After they pass, I can show you. Not in there. Right in there.
Oh.
Yeah, that's where the ferry used to dock, and you drive your vehicle off right there where them posters, them poles.
Okay.
You drive your vehicle. That's the first ferry there. That old one over there.
Oh.
I don't know nothing but that one. My mom and them. The first one that was taken.
drive through here already.
I had you through here before?
Yeah, I remember the water.
Okay.
You're going to turn on that road.
No, I can turn around right down there.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the ferry radio we used to take our, I remember. They sold it to somebody, the white people who didn't own it.
Oh.
That was the ferry radio. We used to bring the rides over from Middleton.
Oh, fishermen stayed on this side too. I saw some fishing boats.
Yeah, they put the boat in the water. Yeah. Put your boat in the water and then you...
So why they still have it on a... Okay. What they do at the Two Fat Brothers?
Bar. That's where they cook food. Island food, they say. Grits and tongue and fish and peas and what do you call it?
They still have an airport?
Yeah. You can take the flight, come over. You can do some more.
And that's where...
You will do some more. You have to fly one these days?
Yeah. How much for the flight?
No, I can't tell you. Caicos Express, only that come over here.
Caicos Express expensive, like. When they're going to Jamaica, they charge you $1 million, $300, $400 for a Jamaican trip.
Station.
This is the police station?
Yeah. The courthouse. Yeah, court.
And the courthouse. Yeah. Any more buildings?
Yeah. Right now, open restaurant, couple rooms. I mean, good little start for little facelift for North Caicos. Yeah, not bad. Building's still there.
Oh.
It's old now.
This is a community center.
Yes, where they had the festival the weekend going.
There's
Jamaican
Street. Oh, Horse Stable Beach.
Stable Beach. Call this Horse Stable Beach. vibe. Yeah. It looks nice. I like it.
What about the water? Huh? Oh, so that's why you don't have a lot of people. And it's rough too. Oh, cats have 9 lives.
Cat, you know.
Have 9 lives.
Pregnant cat run across the road.
We reach now?
No, it's we're still in Britain B. We just heading down. Yeah, now it's about Joshua Bar. Look like pigs.
No, it's good. Let's say it's a Haitians.
And some police coming now. Some Jamaican chief police and make everything.
Oh, to get rid of them, not true.
What? What? Make a perfect example. Make a real plan here. That's cute. I used to live here. When I was going to high school. My first year, she left 1 year.
Okay.
I didn't like
This
it.
is a primary.
That's primary school. So, it was a teacher's school.
Or they have their home here already. The person that did
This is part of real island living too. The roads, the scenery, the quiet spaces, the simple beauty. And just like that, we have reached the end of our journey. I hope this little drive brought you some peace and showed you another beautiful side of Turks and Caicos. Now tell me in the comments, would you take this drive or have you already been here? Thank you for riding with me, and remember, there's always another island story waiting right here on Chat Jamaican with Tania. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next adventure.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When we walk through the valley of